Are you tired of your FPV drone motors overheating and burning out? Looking for a motor that can handle the most intense racing conditions? Look no further than ViDiUAV OEM 2807 kV, 3115 kV, 1050 kV, and 1150 kV brushless motors. Rev up your racing game with ViDiUAV high-performance brushless motors. ViDiUAV OEM 2807 kV, 3115 kV, 1050 kV, 1150 kV brushless motor for FPV Racing Drone. And max power, our motors deliver exceptional power and torque, allowing you to reach top speeds and outmaneuver your opponents. Superior durability crafted from high-quality materials. ViDiUAV motors are built to last. They can withstand even the toughest landings and crashes. Customizable, we offer OEM and ODM services, allowing you to tailor your motors to your specific needs. Competitive pricing, get the quality you need without breaking the bank. Increased flight time, our efficient motors help you get the most out of every battery charge. Smoother throttle response, enjoy precise control, and a more responsive, quieter operation, our motors produce less noise, making your flights more enjoyable. Ready to take your FPV racing to the next level? Contact us today to learn more about our products and services. Dongguan ViDiShi Technology Co. Limited.